Hello friends, I'm Adam Calloway, this is Rick Byrd, and we're the Blueprint Group. Friends, I'm excited about 4 things today. First, an amazing class at Bikram Yoga Baltimore this morning.
Namaste.
2, finished all of my Realtor CE last night, college cram style. 3, digging the swag I got at Packet Pickup for this Saturday's Maryland Half Marathon. And 4th, we are on the front porch of this historic Lutherville Victorian, brought back to life by Rick and his team. So let's go inside the original front door, and he'll tell you more about the home.
As soon as you walk into 209 West Seminary Road here in Lutherville, you actually are greeted by this perfectly preserved newel post and balusters running all the way up to the 2nd floor that were all original. We opened up a lot of the 1st floor without destroying the architecture of this home, but we needed to give it a little more open concept. Actually, where I'm standing was an original cherry wood 9-foot pocket door, perfectly preserved, probably from the original owners. I'm here in the kitchen, where actually it used to be a dining room. After we opened things up, we relocated where the kitchen was actually going to be. Right here, there used to be a full exterior wall where a sun porch used to be, and now is a beautiful kitchen nook. This was the original location of the kitchen. It is now a mudroom from right off of the back deck and a laundry facility as soon as you walk in. This home used to be a 7-bedroom, 1.5 bath house that we, Byrd Design and Build, and actually a first-time collaboration with Donjo Construction, we turned into a 5-bedroom, 4.5 bath house, almost 3,000 square feet above grade. Want to take a walk with me upstairs? We're going to take a look at the rest of the house. Here in the master bedroom, we actually have 3 walk-in closets. One massive one here that we created, and then 2 of the originals over there. You walk through here, where the bedroom used to be, is now the master bathroom. Original hardwood floors throughout. Designed by our own in-house designer, Jess Bowles. This is completely done in Carrara marble. And then throughout, nice soaking tub right here with a great view. Up here on the 3rd floor, even though we did restore all the hardwood floors throughout the entire house, we did decide to put some carpet down here to keep the noise down just a little bit, and comfort level as well, of course. We used to have 3 bedrooms. Now it is 2 bedrooms here and 1 full bath that was designed by Jess Bowles, our in-house interior designer, like everything in the house.
We finished the lower level and added tons of usable space. Another full bathroom, tiled, beautiful. Rec room, living room over on this side. Neat little feature about the originality of the home, possible wine cellar where the coal chute was originally. And then in the utility room, all new systems, 2 water heaters. Great spot.
Thank you for taking a tour of our home today. We hope you like everything you saw.
If you're thinking about buying, selling, or have any home improvement questions, message us. We'd love the opportunity to earn your business. Have a great day.
Come on, Buster.
Rick, what are you doing? What, Rick?
That we walk into here.
Oh, my bad, guys. I needed to put that before my next scene. Don't tell the stager. Go ahead, my bad.